ki khubor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Meghalaya AIDS Control Society harangkat ke Jingasnok tilang bat Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority hanne kasngi kashitarik unopra kalarakhi kerpang ya ka World AIDS Day ha usosotham auditorium habakren hakni kasngi commissioner and secretary katnat ka koj khia upi sampat kumar ulai itu baka Jylla Meghalaya kadon Haka Kyrdan ka basan hapo kari haba yadai ber ke jingdon jongkinong pang ke badon ne ke jingpang HIV ni ka AIDS Ula benrapru na kabaong baka Jylla kadai kabadon ya kibabun tam kilong kami armat kibayo ya kajingpang selfless kani kalong ka ai kaba ngikum ka Jylla ngin haban perkat ba bat kumta kalong kabadon kam ban pensngau thu bat ban shime kilat kilenti habaya dei bat kani ka Jingsaphriang ka selfless hapo ka Jylla kalong 0.5% kabalong kabahe tam hapo kari Upi sempat kumar ulapan pauro ke Jingsaphriang halor ke jingdon jong katu ke ningut ke briu ke ba im bad Khñiang HIV ke bala ino siteng por ya ke jingdi dawai ulakan tuwi ke pajba ban wan syakamat ban beteng ya ke jingdi dawai na ke benda ka koj ke khia jongki
how actually these actually make themselves is facing that kind of discrimination while working as a self-defense, how actually has overcome and how actually they continue to support people who require it to them. And they really congratulate him and I really appreciate his, people like him, who are working for this cause. It's really very inspiring to listen to. And I really thank our honorable judge and also the secretary of Meghalaya Legal Services Committee for Mr. Khan, who has given a very enlightening speech, which actually gives us the legal framework that is giving us to protect the HIV patients from discrimination. I think you really rightly pointed out a very important point that not a single person has sought relief from the particular act which has been enacted in 2017. I think this really requires to be taken notice of and I really have to give this legal support that is there for the HIV patients who can actually use that against any discrimination which they might be facing. So having these everyone, so I would like to tell on behalf of the state only a few things that we should do about the AIDS and HIV. We have been, if you look at Meghalaya as a state, we are now currently, I think, we are the fifth state in terms of the ranking. We are the fifth state which has got the number of HIV cases. That means like we are one of those priority states in terms of this particular issue. So that's one point. Another is that we also have another important data point is that we are also found with highest number of syphilis cases among the pregnant women. So percentage. So that's also really a cause of concern. So that's again two things why actually we really need to bring a lot of education, a lot of awareness, a lot of steps to really address this particular issue. So that's one point. So taking this and also we have been witnessing like all other states with pandemic, and COVID also has really highlighted the importance of healthcare, the importance of strengthening the health system, So one of the best things that has happened for AIDS, like HIV, things like that, at a national level we have NACO, and at a state level we have a society, MAX, Society, where the support is provided with all the people who find it so that they can live a life with dignity and a complete treatment is provided. But only one thing that I would like to emphasize at this point is that still some percentage of people are not actually continuing the treatment. I think that is something that we need to emphasize that there is a treatment that they need to really all the treatment. All the treatment has the purification that you mentioned, and they can live longer life, longer than any other person. So I think that's a very good point to see. And that's one point that I would like to highlight at this point of time. There is a need for 100% like the adherence to that treatment, so that taking the treatment and changing the behavior. Secondly, I also would like to mention here that there is a lot of need for educating our younger people. So I would like to share one of experience shared by one of the doctors in Jylla district. I visited one family center. The doctor mentioned to me that when he had a training and went to Jylla high school, and we told about this entire importance of testing and how actually this HIV actually spread. And when he gave this session, the next day to his place, 5 boys have turned up. They said we all wanted to get tested. So that's a great example. So what does it mean is that there is still a lot of stigma. There is still a lot of fear to get tested because they have come with it and they have sex with multiple partners to be wanted to get tested. So I think this is a very important insight that we can know. What is required is that we really required to have a free conversation. That conversation is not happening. There is a need to bring that conversation. Parents need to speak to the children, and a lot of NGOs are working in this perspective. So many NGOs are working. I think we need to basically break the silence, and we need to allow people to speak. Once they start speaking, they understand the problem, and they themselves will take care of it. That's the beauty of education. So to educate, I think every individual will be more responsible person. I think they themselves will take care of their issues. So I think we need to do a lot.
These are teenage pregnancies. Again, this is coming back to lot of education. So we really require to bring that awareness, so that our young people are really get the knowledge, the tools that are required for them to get protected. So I think that's something that we would like to highlight on this particular World AIDS Day. And besides that, I think I really appreciate the various activities being taken up by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. So we have, we have been continuously reviewing different works and tasks, and in fact we also wanted to learn some of the lessons, successfully implemented by the MAX and NACO, even for COVID management, because MAX has been providing a sensitive support system for the HIV and AIDS people. So COVID also actually, initially it has created again similar kind of an isolation, similar kind of a stigma. Now the stigma has come down significantly, but that we really require to provide that kind of a sensitive support. So we started engaging civil society organization even for COVID management, and for changing the behavior, and also training people, different people on the COVID related issues, so that we remove the fear we remove the stigma so that we can really handle these pandemics and handle these diseases very effectively. So I think it has taught us a lot. I think the entire NACO and MAX system has taught us a lot. In fact, one of the very good things that we really appreciate is that the way the peer educators